Most people think starting an online business takes months, that you need Shopify, that you need a developer, and they will waste weeks messing with tech before you ever make a sale. But in 2025, that's no longer true. Today, I'm showing you how to start selling online in under 10 minutes. No coding, no inventory, no tech headaches. By the end of this video, you will know the 4-step playbook. This isn't theory. This is a practical system you can follow today. Step 1. Pick a product to sell. This is where most beginners get it wrong. They overcomplicate it. They launch 50 products. They chase every trend. And then nothing sells. The rule is simple. Start with one product. Here are 3 categories that work in 2025. Digital products, Notion dashboards, Canva templates, AI prompt packs, high margins, no shipping, create once, sell forever. Print on demand merch, hoodies, mugs, tote bags, no inventory, no upfront costs, and Printify handles the rest. Services turn into offers. A consultation or a coaching session listed as a bookable slot. This works great if you're a freelancer or an expert. Keep it simple. One product, one audience, one goal. How to choose your first product? Pick what you already know. Start with something you have already built for yourself. Maybe it's a Notion content calendar you use to plan for your YouTube videos, or a set of Canva templates you design for your own Instagram. It could be a meal prep guide you put together for personal use, or even a freelancer inbox template you have been using with clients. The point is, there are products you already know inside out. Solve a pain point. Think about what your audience struggles with every day. Then create a shortcut for them. Your followers keep asking, how do you plan your content? Turn your process into a content strategy checklist. People are overwhelmed with time management? Offer them a simple productivity planners. Designers spend hours making mockups? Save them time with a ready-to-use mockup bundle. Fitness creators? Your audience wants routine. Package a 4-week home workout guide. If your audience has a problem, they'll be happily pay for the shortcut. 3. Validate demand. Don't guess. Check if people are already buying it. Hop on Etsy and search digital planner. You will see thousands of sales. That is the proven demand. Open EverBee research and type wedding signs template. It shows you the actual revenue sellers are making. That is the green light. Scroll TikTok. Hashtags like Notion templates have millions of views on TikTok. That is attention you can tap into. Even Amazon, search budget spreadsheet. If it is a bestseller, you know people are spending money on it. If your buyers are already there, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Step 2. Build your store. Now you need a place to sell. This is where most people get stuck. Shopify, $39 a month. Plus plugin, plus time wasted figuring out the setup. Wix or Squarespace, okay for a portfolio, but clunky for selling. Etsy, quick setup, but your traffic doesn't stay with you. The moment you drive traffic to your product, Etsy shows your competitors right next to it. So your hard clicks could turn to someone else's sales. That is why I'm using EverBee Store. Not as an ad, but because it solves those exact problems. Step 1. Open EverBee Store. Inside EverBee, head to apps. Click EverBee Store. That is your starting point. You will see 3 options. Create with AI, import from Etsy, or move over from Shopify, Wix, or WordPress. For speed, I will go with AI. I will type in, build a modern store for digital products and creator merch. Keep it clean and minimal and bold. And just like that, seconds later, you have got a working draft. Homepage, product grid, banner, email sign up, everything. Now it's time to make yours. Check the mobile preview, because most buyers shop in their phone. Then pick your style. Colors, fonts, button shapes, for example, headings, pop in small. And here is the best part. Every plan starts with $1 trial for 30 days. Compare that to Shopify $39 a month or Wix with extra fees. For beginners, this is a no-brainer. Step 3. Add products and design your storefront. Now let's add your first product. Again, you have got 3 options. Option 1, import from Etsy. Already selling there? Click import and EverBee pulls in your listings. Photos, titles, descriptions, pricing, all in minutes. Option 2, print on demand integration. Connect Printify. Design a hoodie, a mug, or a tote. Every order gets printed and shipped automatically. No manual work needed. Option 3, manual upload. Great for digital products or services. Click add product. Type the title, creators, Notion dashboard. Use EverBee AI Brain to help you write the description. Set the price to $15. Add tags like Notion template, productivity, creator tools. Click save and it's live. Design the storefront. Upload a banner. Add testimonials if you have them. Insert the newsletter sign up form. This is the moment your store stops looking like a side project and it starts looking like a real brand. Step 4. Launch and get traffic. A store without traffic is just a landing page. Traffic equals sales. Here's your 30-day launch plan for 2025. Week 1, awareness. Post TikToks, Reels, and Shorts. Show the behind the scenes. I built my clothing store in 10 minutes. Use trending sounds. Keep it casual. Week 2, freebie and email list. Offer a free Notion page or Canva template. Capture emails directly in your EverBee store. Week 3, content and nurture. Share mini tutorials on how to use your product. Send an email sequence. A welcome email, sharing about your story, bestseller spotlight, urgency, offer expire soon. Week 4, scale traffic. Repurpose TikToks into Pinterest pins and YouTube Shorts. Test a $20 boosted post to promote your freebie. Platform breakdown. TikTok and Shorts. Fast awareness. Show your product in action. Pinterest. Evergreen search traffic. Pin your mockups and freebies. Email. Conversion. Turn casual browsers into repeat buyers. Example of content you can post. A TikTok trend where you show your digital product in 3 seconds. A reel with the caption, build my clothing store in 10 minutes. Here's what I used. A Pinterest pin. Free Notion dashboard for creators. A YouTube short walking through your store in under 30 seconds. A small, simple content multiplied across platforms equals consistent traffic. So what happens after you make your first sale? Don't stop there. Reinvest into ads or better product visuals. Add one more product to your store. Test upsells like bundles or limited time discounts. And focus on growing your email list because that's traffic you own. But here is another growth lever most beginners overlook. Influencer marketing. Reach out to creators who already speak to your audience. For example, if you sell Notion templates, contact a productivity YouTuber or a TikTok creator. If you sell POD merch, partner with a lifestyle influencer who aligns with your brand. If you sell digital resources for freelancers, approach LinkedIn creators who share business tips. These creators already have the trust of your potential buyers. So if they're spending months building reach, you borrow theirs. Here's a simple outreach template you can use. Hi, name, I love your content on platform, especially your recent post on a specific topic. I think your audience will really benefit from your product. I would love to send it to you for free, and if it resonates, maybe we can discuss sharing it with your audience. No pressure, just thought it might be a good fit. Best, your name, keep it short, personal, value first. That is how you build authentic partnerships that drive real sales. This is how you turn your first sale into a repeatable system. And if you like me to make a dedicated video diving deeper into influencer marketing step by step, let me know in the comments below. So here is your playbook for 2025. Step 1, pick one product. Step 2, build your store with EverBee. Step 3, add products and design your storefront. Step 4, launch with a 30-day traffic plan. That's it. Not months of setup, not thousands of Shopify plugins, just a clear system you can follow today. And if you want to try it for yourself, EverBee Store has a $1 trial. I will leave my link below. Now, I want to hear from you. If you had to launch a store today, what is the first product you will sell? Drop it in the comments. I will reply to as many as I can. And if this was helpful, hit subscribe. I post every week about how to build your brand and turn it into business. See you in the next one.